நீங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புத ரேசு டிவி, சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புத ரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.
Now I invite Reverend Sister Alice Peter, the Superior General of SMSM congregation.
So my dear students and respected doctor, our chief guest, my dear staff, principals, headmisters, sisters and beloved students, a very good morning to each and every one of you. First and foremost, I wish you a very graceful, prosperous, hope-filled new year 2020. After a big celebration of Christmas and New Year and enjoying your holidays, now in between we have invited you for this program. But still I see from your faces, on your faces, lot of joy, lot of happiness, lot of expectation, lot of awaiting. So thank you, my dear students, for having come over here. And every year we conduct this. Why? What for? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? For motivation. Whether sisters and teachers will be motivated or you will be motivated. Who is going to be motivated? All of you. See, having completed in our school from LKG to plus 2, most of you have done LKG to plus 2 here in this school, and now as you are about to say bye and goodbye to our schools and you are going to have higher studies, we thought of bringing you together, and in the past few years we have started, and this year also. So my dear students, today I look at you as ordinary students. Some of you must have been very good at studies, very intelligent, very smart, very active. Some of you must have been slow learners. Your teachers and the principals and the management had been behind you, with you, by the side of you all these years, giving you special attention, taking care of you, looking into your daily lessons, preparing you for exam, and so many things have done for your all-round formation. Now, I am looking at you today, though as ordinary students, in and through you, I see the future of India. The future of India, you are seated here. You are the power of India. You are the intelligence of India. You are the dynamism of India. You are the future of India. Lot of talents. You are not ordinary students. Lot of talents and potentialities hidden within you. Your teachers have accompanied you. They have tried to, through different ways, they tried to motivate you, bring you out, come out with your talents and efficiencies, and you have gone through all the exams. Some of you got a lot of punishments, some of you got a scolding, some correction, so many things. You may not have liked, some may have liked, and so many mischiefs. At this age, you have done lot of mischiefs. Now, everything is going to come to an end. You are going to have your life outside the school for your higher standard, higher education. You are going to live in the world. Our schools, with the help of management, teachers, and with the help of your parents, we have done our best. Now it is your bounden duty, whatever talents, whatever capacities you have gained, whatever good manners, etiquette, whatever qualities, value system, all that you have gained, learned, imbibed, make it your second nature. Make it your second nature. Start practicing. And you are going to live in the world. So please, my dear students, it is for that purpose. You have to be better citizens. You have to be the best human person. That was our motive. The SMSM motive was for conducting schools is to make you better, the best human persons. And I believe the school has helped you. You are going to live as a better person, and you are going to allow others also, help others also to become better human persons. For that, whatever values you have learned in the school, please put into practice and give a new shape to India. You know today's leaders, very, very rare leaders like our today's chief guest we have. It's not enough. He does his best. One individual does his best. You each individual, you can do your best to shape and mold India and to have a bright future of India. It is your duty. We have done our duty. Now it is your duty. Could you promise me that you are going to be the best human persons? Yes or no? Are you going to practice the value system that you have learned in the school? Yes or no? Yes. So my best prayers, my wishes to all of you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. And I highly appreciate Sister Sheena and her team and all the teachers, sisters, principals and all the staff for having arranged such a program for our students. And my dear students, wish you all the best. God bless you.
நீங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் அற்புதரேசு டிவி சென்னையின் முதல் கத்தோலிக்க சேனல்.
வணக்கம், என்னோட பேர் நெல்சன் ஆண்டனி ஜோக்கியம், அற்புதரேசு டிவியோட ஃபவுண்டர். இப்போ நீங்க பார்த்து கொண்டு இருக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க நான் உங்களை ரெக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றேன்.